I saw a shooting star late last night. Yeah, she was pointing at the west coast, beating like a street light. She got my white denim jacket and my polo tie. Stood past my mom and my dad and told my little brothers goodbye. So I hear a motor car coming up the coast. You know I've seen other cities, but I like this one the most. There's a girl down in the valley, she's but we can take it slow. Or we can push fast forward on it of success from rock and roll. But it gets hard sometimes, don't I know it. I've been up for a week, can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. Oh, I saw a shooting star late last night. She's like a vanilla ice cream, baby milky white. Wanna love her all day and all of the night. Wanna love her all day for the rest of my life. And it gets hard sometimes, don't I know it. I've been up for a week, don't get no sleep, I lose my cool. I've been up for a week, can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. Baby, won't be me, babe. Come on, tell me to me.
Well, hi there, pluckers. I saw things again with you with an interesting little song from a band called Caamp, C-A-A-M-P, for those of you who've never heard of them. I've done a few songs of theirs before. I haven't done one for a while, so I thought it's about time I did another one. They've got quite a good following on my site, I think. And this one's called No Sleep, okay? Now then, I'm in standard tuning, no capos, as you can see. If you want to play along with the actual band, you'll have to detune your guitars by half a step. That's what to put them in tune with the original version. So detune your guitars by half a step, okay? So, but I've kept it in standard tuning for convenience sake, and most people will be in standard tuning, okay? So a lot of the song is basically three chords. That's an E, an A. I'm playing a lazy A, okay, so I'm playing a bar, first finger bar on the second fret across the fourth, third and second strings. And then the third chord is a B, okay, so I'm playing it as a bar chord on the second fret with my third finger barring the fourth fret of the fourth, third and second strings, okay. So it's not too quick, it's fairly slow, and it's like, and what you do, it's like, and when you come on the last up, you basically bar all the top four strings with this third finger. You need to hear that note there. So it's, I've got down and up on the lazy A. Okay, so it's, and then the B, and then on the final up, you make sure you bar that all the way down to make like an A minor seventh, a G sharp minor seventh. There. Okay, so it's sorry. Right, got that. I'm barring all the 4 top strings on the 4th fret there. Okay, so it's like a B6. Okay, so it's got that A flat in it, or G sharp. Okay, so it's again very slowly because this is paramount to the song, so I better spend a bit of time trying to get this right for you. Got that. That's all like a B flat 6. That's a B6. Well, I'm talking about B flat, B6. Where you're barring the first 4 strings with that bar. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry to labour so much on this, but it is really quite important part of the song. Otherwise, it doesn't sound quite right. Okay. So that's what it starts. There's 4 of those, and then it carries on doing that, and then the verse kicks in. So I'll do 2 and then sing the verse. Okay, so here comes the verse. I saw a shooting star. So yes, all the same all the way through. Yeah, she was pointing at the west coast, beaming like a street lamp. Got my white denim jacket and my polo tie. Stuck past my mom and dad and told my little brother's good. It keeps going. Okay, next verse, so we'll do 2 of these and then another verse. Oh, I hear a motor car coming up the coast. You know I've seen other cities, but I like this one the most. There's a girl down in the valley says that we can take it slow, or we can push fast forward on it with success and rock and roll. Right, now it changes. Okay, quite a long time playing that sequence of 3 chords there. Okay, then we go to the sort of bridge section, and it goes to a C sharp minor, 4th fret bar minor shape, but it gets hard sometimes to a G sharp 7. So it's C sharp minor to a G sharp 7, so that's a G sharp bar chord, 4th fret, major shape, but with pinky off. So it gets so hard sometimes. And then we go up to A, 1 fret up, 5th fret, major shape bar chord. So when back to C sharp minor. So you've got C sharp minor, but it gets G sharp 7, sometimes A. C sharp minor again, we stay on C sharp minor. I've been up for a week is an E chord, but it's played as this bar chord on the 7th fret. Same as you do for the B, same shape again, but on the 7th fret bar, 1st finger. You can either use 3 fingers for that on the 9th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, or a single finger bar like we do for the B. So it's C sharp minor, where it goes, I've been up for a week is E, can't get no sleep. We go up to F sharp minor as a bar chord, 9th fret bar, minor shape. Okay, so we've got So go from this beginning of the middle section again, slowly, C sharp minor, but it gets hard is the G sharp 7th, hard sometimes, A, but I don't know what I'm reading. Let's do this again. But it gets hard sometimes, A, don't I, C sharp minor, know it. C sharp minor again, I've been up for a E, weak, I can't get no sleep, F sharp minor, I lose my cool. Okay, and then it stops and we go back to the usual riff again, the E, the A and the B and the B6. Okay, so let's do the second verse and the middle section, the bridge section again, going into verse 3, which is the same as usual to play. Okay, different words. Okay, so verse 2 onwards, here we go. Do two of these and then I'm in. Okay. Oh, I hear a motor coming out the coast. You know I've seen other cities, but I like this one the most. There's a girl down in the valley that says we can take it slow, or we can push fast forward on it. Love to say some rock and roll middle section. But it gets hard sometimes, don't I know it. I've been up for a week, I can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. Another couple of these and then next verse. Oh, I saw a shooting star late last night. She's like vanilla ice cream, baby, milky white. Oh, I want to love her all day and all of the night. Wanna love her all day for the rest of my life. Little bit again now, bridge section. And it gets hard sometimes, don't I know it. I've been up for a week, I can't use no sleep, I lose my cool. Last bit again, C sharp minor, and I've been up E for week, I get no sleep, lose my cool. Okay, so this middle section is, bridge section is a bit longer. Okay, so it starts off going, and it gets hard sometimes, don't I know it, as usual. I've been up for a week, can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. Then we go back to C sharp minor, and I've been up for E, week, I can't get no F sharp minor, week, lose my cool. And then we go into some slight instrumental bit where it goes, and that's an A, B and E, and it's 2 stabs on each, right? Say what you want, sorry, let's do it again. Say what you mean, babe, and then we do it again. Come on and tell it to me, alright, and then we go, this time it's a bit different. There's 2 lots on A, 2 lots on B, 2 lots on C sharp minor, and then 2 lots on E. Okay, so it comes out of this last part of the middle section. And I've been up for a week, can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. Say what you mean, babe, come on and tell it to me. And then finally we do 2 more that A to B to E. Except when you come into the E on the last one, it's not stabs, it's just the usual rhythm bit again, like we do in the verse. Okay, so it goes, say what you mean, babe, come on and tell it to me. So it goes back into the normal rhythm bit again, and then there's some sort of shoo waddy waddy doo dot bits sung over the usual rhythm. Shoo waddy 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 doo shoo waddy waddy, or whatever it is, I can't remember now. And just finishes on the E. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll do the last verse and the whole of the next bridge section and the outro. Okay, you have to forgive my not knowing the words for the shoo dot biddy biddy bop bop bit. I can't remember how it goes. Okay, but I'm sure you'll know it if you're a Caamp fan. Okay, so last verse. I saw a shooting star late last night. She's like a Miller ice cream, baby with tea wine. I wanna love all day and all the night. I wanna love all day for rest of my life. Right, middle section. And it gets hard sometimes, don't I know it? I've been up for a week, can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. I've been up for a week, can't get no sleep, I lose my cool. Say what you mean, babe, come on and tell it to me. Whatever it is. And that's it, boys and girls. Sorry about my singing on this. I mean, it's a bit I know it's probably a bit out for you Caamp fans, but just for reference only, okay, just so you know where we are in the song. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.